Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamer. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change your in-game name on your Battlenet. Now click on your name and then go to then click on View Profile. Once you click on View Profile, you'll be greeted with this page, your account overview. From here, what you want to do is go to Account Details and then scroll all the way down to your battle tag. Now from over here, press on Update and then you can change your update. You can change your battle tag. Now I don't want to personally change my battle tag, so I'm not going to change it. Or if you don't like what your battle tag is, you can press on Randomize and then have them give you a battle tag. Battle tag is basically IGN. So since I don't want to change it, I'm not really going to do anything. Just press on Cancel and that's about it. And yeah, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.